In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter a Steam beta code so you can access the beta of any game. So this process works for any Steam game, it doesn't matter, all you need to have is a beta code. So to enter this beta code, all you need to do is go to games, then go to your library right here. Then just select the game you want. So for example, let's say you have a beta code for Terraria, you just need to right click it, go to properties, and you will find the beta right here. So as you can see, you can select the beta you want to use. So select the one, and you can enter the code for the private beta. So just paste the code right here, check the code. In my case, I don't have any, and you should see the new version of the beta and an install button. So you just need to click on install, and then you just have to play. So that's it. That's the process you need to follow if you want to participate on a beta. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.